Over my many years of teaching tapestry weaving, I have fielded so many questions about tapestry looms from people just like you that I have now made a short workshop and class all about tapestry looms. The class kicks off with a live 2-hour workshop. In that workshop, I'll show you a whole bunch of different tapestry looms that I've used over the years, and we'll talk about the features of some of them and why one might be better than another in your particular situation. Basically, I'm trying to help you match what it is you want to weave with a loom. In addition to this 2-hour live workshop, there's a whole online class in which I have put resources for you to look at, specific links to certain looms, and different ways for you to think about which loom might be the best for you. There are some additional bonus videos and things for you to read there. And maybe the most important thing is that it's an opportunity for you to ask questions. As you dive into the questions about which tapestry loom do I want, you can ask questions in the class and you can come back to it for as long as you want. And if it turns out you're not able to attend the live event this time around, it will be recorded and you can watch that recording as many times as you want to. The class is such a valuable resource for asking all the things about tapestry weaving. So I hope you are able to use it for many years to come. And I can't wait to see you all in Tapestry Looms Simplified.